Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to add an image and a caption into a media album. Now your teacher may have told you how to do this, but I'm going to walk you through this as well. The media album is represented, you can see on the bottom of my screen, by a folder and then the image icon. So if I open up that media album, I can see that they're already put in 2 pictures. Now your teacher can add pictures as well as you as the student. So if I click on one of these pictures, the picture is going to open up, and you also see at the bottom it tells me when it was posted as well as with a caption. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So there's a plus sign in the top right. Go ahead and click on the plus sign, and then you're going to select choose from library. So you're going to want to make sure you have your image already saved to your photo library. Then you're going to go into your recents and go ahead and find the picture that you would like to add, and then hit the green check mark. Once you have done this, it's going to ask you to hit it one more time, and then here's where I can add my caption. So if you want to discuss, what you did or what the process of creating this project might have been like, you can add that here. So I can just say, this was a project I created using Canva and other tools. And then once I'm done with my caption, I'm going to click on the green check mark. And now that that picture has now been added to that photo media album. And if I click on my picture, the picture is going to pop up, and it also shows me what I have created with the caption. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Now you know how to view media in the album, as well as update it and add captions as well. Have a great one.